Hello everyone, we are back again with weekly current affair quiz. Let's start today's quiz. First question is, what event occurs approximately every 4 years in the Bitcoin network? Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin forking, or Bitcoin scaling? The correct answer is option B, Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is an event where the rewards for mining new blocks are halved, reducing the rate at which new bitcoins are created. This process is built into Bitcoin's protocol to control inflation and ensure a capped supply of 21 million bitcoins. Next question is, which famous tribal festival is celebrated biennially in the state of Telangana? Kumbh Mela, Samakka Saralamma Jatara, Pongal, or Navratri? The correct answer is option B, Samakka Saralama Jatara. It is one of the largest tribal festivals in the world, dedicated to tribal goddesses Samakka and Saralama. Held biennially, millions of devotees, mainly from the tribal communities, gather to pay homage to these deities, making it a significant cultural and religious event in Telangana, India. Next question is, which type of engine utilizes extremely low temperatures to achieve efficient propulsion? Thermal engine, cryogenic engine, diesel engine, or electric engine? The correct answer is option B, cryogenic engine. Cryogenic engines are designed to operate with propellants stored at extremely low temperatures, typically below -150 degrees Celsius. These engines are widely used in space exploration for their efficiency and ability to achieve high thrust-to-weight ratios, making them essential for launching heavy payloads into space. Next question is, what term describes the process of certifying space systems and vehicles for carrying human passengers safely? Human assurance, astronaut certification, human rating, or space worthiness assessment? The correct answer is option C, human rating. Human rating is the rigorous process of evaluating and certifying space systems, spacecraft, and launch vehicles to ensure they meet specific safety and performance standards for carrying human passengers. This process involves extensive testing, analysis, and verification to minimize risk associated with human space flight. Now moving on to next question. In the context of sugarcane farming, what does the term FRP stand for? Federal Reserve Price, Farming Revenue Policy, Fair and Remunerative Price, or Field Resource Payment? The correct answer is option C, Fair and Remunerative Price. FRP is the minimum price that sugar mills are legally required to pay sugarcane farmers for their produce. It is set by the government to ensure fair compensation to farmers and to stabilize the sugarcane market. Next question is, which organization played a pivotal role in the White Revolution in India and is responsible for the implementation of Operation Flood? Indian Dairy Association, National Dairy Development Board, Food Corporation of India, or Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying? The correct answer is option B, National Dairy Development Board. NDDB is an apex organization in India that spearheaded the White Revolution, also known as Operation Flood, a dairy development program aimed at transforming India into one of the largest milk producers globally. Through initiatives like the creation of cooperatives and dairy infrastructure development, NDDB significantly contributed to the growth and modernization of the dairy industry in India. Next question is, which grand religious festival involves the anointing of the colossal statue with various sacred substances and is celebrated once every 12 years? Kumbh Mela, 𝐸 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐒 Jagannath Rath Yatra, or Diwali? The correct answer is option B, 𝐸 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐒. This festival is celebrated once every 12 years at Shravanbelagola, Karnataka, India, where 57-foot tall monolithic statue of Lord Bahubali is anointed with milk, saffron, sandalwood paste, and other sacred substances by thousands of devotees, marking a significant event in Jainism. Next question is, which platform facilitates cooperation and dialogue among the Nordic and Baltic countries, focusing on regional issues such as security, economy, and sustainability? Baltic Sea Cooperation Council, Nordic Council, Nordic-Baltic 8, or Nordic-Baltic Forum? The correct answer is option D, Nordic-Baltic Forum. This platform serves as a forum for dialogue and cooperation between the Nordic countries, Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and the Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, It addresses various regional issues including security, economy, energy, environment, and cultural exchange, fostering collaboration and mutual understanding among the member states. Next question is, which geographic feature forms the majority of Albania's western border? Adriatic Sea, Ionian Sea, Balkan Mountains, or Pindus Mountains? The correct answer is option A, Adriatic Sea. Albania's western border is primarily formed by the Adriatic Sea, which stretches along its coastline for approximately 476 kilometers. The Adriatic Sea separates Albania from countries such as Italy and Montenegro, providing access to important maritime routes and influencing the country's climate and economic activities. Next question is, which Indian body is responsible for advising the central government on matters related to wildlife conservation and protection of natural habitats? Wildlife Conservation Society of India, National Wildlife Protection Authority, National Board for Wildlife, or Wildlife Trust of India? The correct answer is option C, National Board for Wildlife. NBWL is a statutory organization chaired by the Prime Minister of India. It advises the central government on issues pertaining to wildlife conservation, protection of habitats, and declaration of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the sustainable management of India's rich biodiversity. Next question is, what legal mechanism is used by law enforcement agencies to prevent individuals from leaving the country, typically in cases involving criminal investigations or proceedings? Travel ban, exit restriction order, lookout circular, or border control alert? The correct answer is option C, lookout circular. A lookout circular is a notice issued by law enforcement agencies to prevent an individual from leaving the country. It is commonly used in cases involving criminal investigations, pending court proceedings, or to prevent suspects or persons of interest from fleeing jurisdiction. The LOC alerts immigration authorities to detain the individual if they attempt to cross international borders. Next question is, which parasitic infection transmitted through contaminated drinking water is characterized by the emergence of long, thread-like worms from the skin? Malaria, schistosomiasis, guinea worm disease, or river blindness? The correct answer is option C, guinea worm disease. Guinea worm disease is caused by the parasitic worm Dracunculus midiensis. Infected individuals typically ingest water containing copepods, water fleas infected with guinea worm larvae. The larvae mature inside the human body, and after about a year, adult female worms emerge from the skin, causing painful blisters and ulcers. This disease has been targeted for eradication efforts due to its debilitating effects. Next question is, which intergovernmental military alliance is dedicated to collective defense and security cooperation among member countries? UN, EU, NATO, or ASEAN? The correct answer is option C, NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO is an intergovernmental military alliance comprising 30 member countries from North America and Europe. Established in 1949, its primary purpose is to ensure the collective defense of its members against external threats, promoting stability and security in the North Atlantic area through cooperation, deterrence, and crisis management. Next question is, which type of wind tunnel is capable of generating airflow at speeds greater than the speed of sound in all three dimensions? Subsonic wind tunnel, supersonic wind tunnel, transonic wind tunnel, or trisonic wind tunnel? The correct answer is option D, trisonic wind tunnel. Trisonic wind tunnels are specialized facilities designed to generate airflow at speeds exceeding the speed of sound in all three dimensions: subsonic, transonic, and supersonic. These wind tunnels are crucial for testing aerospace vehicles and components under a wide range of flight conditions, allowing engineers to study aerodynamic performance and behavior across different speed regimes. Next question is, which international agreement established under the World Trade Organization aims to reform agricultural trade by reducing subsidies, tariffs, and trade distorting measures? Agreement on Agriculture, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, Trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, or Agreement on Trade Facilitation? The correct answer is option A, Agreement on Agriculture. The Agreement on Agriculture is a legally binding international agreement negotiated under the auspices of the WTO. It seeks to reform global agricultural trade by addressing issues such as domestic support, export subsidies, and market access. The AOA aims to promote fairer and more transparent trade practices in the agricultural sector, facilitating greater market access for agricultural products and reducing trade distorting measures. Next question is what innovative technology characterized by decentralized and immutable ledgers enables secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries? Artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, or quantum computing? The correct answer is option C, blockchain. Blockchain technology utilizes cryptographic techniques to create a decentralized and tamper-proof ledger system. It allows for the secure recording and verification of transactions across a network of computers without the need for intermediaries. This technology finds applications in various fields, including cryptocurrency, supply chain management, voting systems, and digital identity verification, among others, revolutionizing the way data is stored, shared, and secured. Next question is which ambitious initiative in India aims to sequence the genomes of thousands of Indian individuals representing diverse ethnic groups and geographical regions? Genome India Initiative, Human Genome Diversity Project, India Genome Mission, or Genome India Project? The correct answer is option D, Genome India Project. The Genome India Project is a significant initiative aimed at sequencing the genomes of thousands of individuals from diverse ethnic backgrounds and geographical regions across India. This project seeks to understand genetic variations and their implications for health, disease, and population genetics, contributing to personalized medicine and broader scientific research. Next question is which tiger reserve located in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha is renowned for its rich biodiversity and dense forest? Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve, or Simlipal Tiger Reserve? The correct answer is option D, Simlipal Tiger Reserve. Situated in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, India, Simlipal Tiger Reserve is famous for its dense forest, diverse flora and fauna, and significant population of Bengal tigers. It is also home to various other wildlife species, including elephants, leopards, deer, and numerous bird species, making it a vital conservation area and a popular tourist destination. Next question is what term refers to a rare genetic variation in tigers that results in a dark colored coat due to an excess of melanin pigment? Albinistic tigers, leucistic tigers, melanistic tigers, or striped tigers? The correct answer is option C, melanistic tigers. Melanistic tigers, also known as black tigers or black panthers, exhibit a dark colored coat caused by an increased presence of melanin pigment. While most tigers have orange fur with black stripes, melanistic tigers appear black due to the dominance of the dark pigment. This rare genetic variation occurs naturally in some tiger populations, adding to the diversity of the species. Last question is which educational institution founded by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore is known for its unique pedagogy that emphasizes the harmonious development of mind, body, and spirit? Aligarh Muslim University, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, Vishwa Bharati University Shantiniketan, or Banaras Hindu University? The correct answer is option C, Vishwa Bharati University Shantiniketan. Shantiniketan, founded by Rabindranath Tagore in 1921, is part of Vishwa Bharati University. It is renowned for its progressive educational philosophy that integrates arts, humanities, and sciences to foster holistic development and creative expression among students. Shantiniketan's serene environment, coupled with Tagore's vision of education, continues to inspire students and educators alike. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.